You know what I tried?
What?
Pristine. Pristine? Feminine hygiene spray.
Oh, that's right. How do you like it?
I like it. I use it every morning now. Does it really do anything for you?
Yeah?
It lets you feel...
This is an emergency warning from the government of the United States of America. The U.S. government informs all citizens that the country is currently experiencing a severe gasoline shortage due to international oil supply disruptions. This shortage affects fuel availability nationwide, including service stations, transportation systems, and essential services. Long lines and fuel rationing may be observed at gas stations. Certain regions may experience temporary closures of fuel stations. Public transportation and essential services are prioritized for fuel distribution. Citizens may experience delays and disruptions in daily activities. This emergency alert has concluded. Further updates will be issued as the situation develops.
fresh and it lasts a long time. You think I'd like it? Gee, I don't see why not.
Pristine Spray Mist or soft new Pristine Spray Powder. They both last a long time.